Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Do you know what this is? Yes, correct, silicone sealant. But do you know how many types of silicone sealants available in the market? Where and how to apply these sealants? Today, I'm going to share with you the basic knowledge on silicone sealants. Here are a sample of silicone sealants from brand Sika, a reputable specialty chemical company in building sector. Sika 119 multi-purpose neutral curing silicone for awning, windows and tiles, and Sika 129 kitchen and bathroom for kitchen and bathroom. Let us begin with Sikasil 119 multi-purpose, a single component non-corrosive sealant for indoor and outdoor applications, designed for weatherproof joints between various substrates such as glass, metals, painted surfaces, aluminium, wood, ceramic tile, and concrete. Example of application: awning, roofing and gutter, general joint sealing, window and door insulation, tile perimeter joints, and many others. Packing size of 270 ml with 4 color options: transparent or clear, white, grey and black. How about Sikasil 129 kitchen and bathroom? A one-component silicone sealant with resistance to fungus, which is suitable for hot and tropical climate conditions. My country, Malaysia. This product is designed for sanitary and other sealing applications that require mildew resistance on multi-substrates such as metal, glass, stone, aluminium panel, and plastic. Available in 270 ml cartridge size and 2 color options: transparent or clear and white. Let me share with you tips on how to prolong antifungal performance. First, rinse off any organic residue, for example, soap and food. Second, avoid aggressive or chlorine-based bleaches. What are the advantages of using these silicone sealants? Low odor, neutral curing, non-corrosive, Primerless adhesion to a wide range of substrates, high elasticity and flexibility, and low shrinkages. For the little extra advantages, Sikasil 119 has very good UV and weathering resistance, while Sika 129 has long-term mildew and fungus resistance. Hi! Do you want to know how to choose the right silicone sealant? Come, let's follow me. When you go to your neighborhood hardware store, you will be mesmerized by the many choices of sealants. Multiple brands, different types for different applications, and not forgetting big marketing wordings. I know it's getting a little bit confusing, but what should you do? Let me teach you how. 5 important keywords. The word silicone for silicone sealant. Neutral silicone means that these sealants are very safe to be applied on multiple substrates. Kitchen and bathroom for long-term mildew and fungus resistance. And finally, application area. Most of the silicone sealants available in the market are just general purpose and acidic. How to find out? It will smell like vinegar. For your information, different brands have a different sets of filling capacity. For example, in the measuring unit of milliliter or in gram. You might need to make that comparison before purchasing. Finally, do you know that silicone sealant has a shelf life of 12 months from the date of production? Be a smart consumer and only buy when you need to use it. For the next video, I'm going to teach you how to apply these silicone sealants. See you! Bye bye for now!